Kazi, you got the last word for us. Hia hao whakaaro mo te rangi nei, and any kind of thoughts that you want to leave with our whānau this evening?
Yeah, we've had an amazing day here. Thanks for the opportunity to host and stream in. It's been an amazing day of mātauranga, just a smorgasbord of ideas, and our whānau have really enjoyed the day today. Feel really honoured to have some reflections in the last kupu. But yes, one of our whānau made a comment about just what Papa Richard Jeffrey said earlier in the day about environment and enterprise not being able to be separated. And I think it's been a core value that's come across all day, that we need to start thinking for the future generations as far as our environment, our taiao, our assets being kai and water. And us as a whānau, we've just moved home and we're looking to unearth ngā mahi o a tātou tupuna in the Māra, and just, I think us as Māori, we thrive in problematic situations, and today's been a real testimony to that, just hearing kōrero after kōrero of whānau that have risen to the occasion. It's been a real honour. And one other comment whānau left with us, I wrote them down, was just to back yourself if you are in business, and back your whānau if they're in business. We as Māori, we're marketers, we're born marketers, and just hei aha te ngau tuara, we need to back each other. I have 4 out of 5 of my siblings, we're all in business, and we just really need to back each other's talents and giftings, and we're going to go a long way internationally and nationally. So yeah, that's my kupu. Mutunga mai Panguru ki papata. I try to get our maunga in, but the sun's so glorious, it's just like shining it all out.
West side, that's why.
Kia koutou, yes, west side all day.
Awesome. Hey, thanks, cousin. Thanks for holding the fort up there. It was so wonderful to have you. And also, we've got a comment here.